Sometimes your chest feels heavy, your thoughts do not stop running, and even small things feels like too much. But still you carry on with a smile thinking that everything is fine. If that sounds like you, this worksheet is going to help you explain what to do about it and how to go next. This is not a test or a diagnosis. It does not replace therapy. It is a simple tool that will help you slow down, check in with yourself, and feel more in your own control. And I'll help you walk through it step by step. The first page gives you a brief overview about what anxiety really is, some common signs, and when exactly to reach out for help. Then comes your anxiety profile. Think of a recent moment when you felt anxious or nervous and try answering the questions. Remember, there's no right or wrong, it is just the reflection of how your anxiety shows up for you. Next comes a technique which is based on metaphor therapy, mindfulness, and grounding. This is called the mountain metaphor. This will help you connect with your inner stability even during your anxious times. Visualize as guided in the worksheet and try answering the questions as written below. The last tool is called Thought Feelings Action Tracker. This is based on CBT. Here, you have to pick one of the situations where you felt anxious, note down what were your thoughts and feelings in that given situation. How did you react in that situation, and then rate your anxiety. Once done with this, logically and realistically, write down what would have been a better way of responding in that situation. This would be a healthy behavior. This is a simple tool that will help you break the overthinking loop and respond in a better way for the next time. You can either print the worksheet or write your answers in your own notebook. You do not have to show this to anyone. This is just meant for you. Take your own time, be kind to yourself, and if you need any sort of support, I'm just a message away.